Have you ever wondered what would happen if our moon suddenly turned into a black hole but keep the same mass? Sound wild? Right. Today we will explore this strange scenario and see what it could mean for Earth, space and life as we know it. At first, we should know what is black hole moon. A black hole with the same mass as the moon would be tiny, about the size of a grain of sand, but despite its small size, its gravity would remain the same. That's because gravity depends on mass, not volume. And what effect on Earth's orbit and tides of this black hole moon? Even though the moon turned into a black hole, Earth's orbit and tides wouldn't change. Why? Because mass and position stays the same. It like wrapping all the moon's mass into one tiny spot. The gravity we feel is still the same. And what is the effect on the moonlight or the life due to the moonlight? Without moonlight, night skies would be darker. Nocturnal animals that rely on the moonlight would be affected. But compared to what humans have already done to ecosystem, this would be minor change. And what would be the black hole behavior? This tiny black hole moon would not grow on its own. In fact, it would absorb more energy than it gives off, unless it starts eating space, dust, or other objects. If it did, it could release powerful energy blasts. And what about the infrared moonlight and the global temperature? The moon does not just reflect light, it also emits infrared heat. This small heat contribution slightly warms Earth. Without the moon, Earth would cool down just a bit. But the difference would be tiny, about 1.2 millidegree Fahrenheit. And what will be the climate impact of this black hole moon? Even though the Earth would cool a bit, human caused climate change would cover that up within days. So, overall, replacing the moon with a black hole would not change the Earth much. And what if it was a full size black hole? If the black hole were the size of the moon, not just the same mass, it would weigh 600 times more than our sun. Earth would be pulled in instantly and destroyed. Total 2. So, what if our moon really turned into a black hole? Honestly, not much would change here on Earth. Life would go on just with the darker night and a missing travel destination. But if that black hole were massive, like the actual size of moon, Earth wouldn't stand a chance. In the end, thanks for watching. What other space question do you want answered? Like, share, and subscribe for more science mysteries.